Hi everyone, and welcome to DIYWebsitesByMatt.com. My name is Matthew, and I thought I'd make this little video today because I've been asked many times, Matthew, how do I get a domain name? I want a domain name. I want a domain name. I need to register a domain name. How do I register a domain name? Well, okay, that is the reason behind this video, so let's see how we go. It's actually quite easy. What you need to do to register your own domain name so you can set up your own website is turn on your computer and launch the internet. And from there, you need to go to the website called www.DIYWebsitesByMatt.com. And you will come to a website that looks remarkably like this one. My exceptionally good-looking face and head will talk to you there, and once I've stopped talking, we can get down to the domain name registration concept. So there's a few choices here at DIYWebsitesByMatt.com. What you can do, first choice over here is domain names. If you click on domain names, that'll get you started there. Or if you're not sure what you need to do, or if you're looking for a little bit more information first, over here on the left again, step 1, choose a domain name. Okay, if you're an exploring kind of person, you can scroll down a little bit. You can click in here and type in, register your domain name. Type in what you want to type in and click on the search button. But probably the easier of all of those is up here on the top right, start domain search. So if you just click in there and type in your preferred domain name. So for the sake of the argument, saxophones. I want to set up a saxophones website. So I've typed in the word saxophones and I click on the red go button. And what happens is it thinks about it for a minute and saxophones.com is already taken. Okay, well somebody else has taken it, so that means I can't have it. Never mind. What about a variation on that theme? How about purple saxophones? Purple saxophones. I'm happy with the spelling. Good. Okay. So we've typed that in. We can't have the first choice because somebody else has taken it. So we've chosen a variation on that theme. So then we click on the blue search button. Again, it thinks about it. Hooray! PurpleSaxophones.com is available. Crowd's gone wild. Hooray! Sorry, getting a little bit silly. PurpleSaxophones.com is available. Excellent. It defaults to the .com, hence the little green tick. If you hover your mouse over each of these other extensions, it gives you a little bit of information about the others. Why choose, in just like here, the .net? Well, it gives you a bit of detail. Okay, well, for the sake of the argument, we've found our domain name. Cool. We will click on Add and proceed to checkout. And what happens from there is the screen changes and we have the domain registration information page. So that's the hard work done as far as the registration is concerned. We just got to dot a few I's and cross a few T's here now. So if you already have an account with DIYWebsitesByMatt.com, you can click in up here, log in to an existing account. You type in your username and your password and click on Secure Login, this button just here. And what will happen from there is all these details will be populated for you based on what you filled in when you registered, when you first set up your account. If you don't have an account with DIYWebsitesByMatt.com, that's cool, that's no problem. Leave the default as it is. And you need to type in your details. Now, it's not rocket science. It won't take a million years. It's not hard. First name, last name, email address, company name if you want, address, country. It's not hard. Take you less than a minute. Once you have filled in all those details, you click on the red continue button and the screen will change again and you'll be basically asked two questions. The first question is, do you agree to the terms and conditions? And if you are going to use your new domain name for good and not for evil, then by all means continue. If, however, you're looking to set up a website about pornography or terrorism or racial hatred or illegal downloads, file sharing, all that kind of thing, please do not buy anything from DIYWebsitesByMatt.com. However, if you are looking to use your new domain name for good instead of evil, we love good. Good is good. Good is great. We love good. Please continue. So the second question at that point will be your credit card details. And I should mention that here at DIYWebsitesByMatt.com, credit card details, it's all very secure, it's all encrypted, it's all very, very, very honky and dory from a security point of view. So we can't access your details even if we wanted to. So please continue at that stage. You key in your credit card details, you agree to the terms and conditions, and then you click on the yes please button, and that's it. You will receive an email that says congratulations, the domain name is yours, and that's it. That is how you get your own domain name. So I suppose the next question is at that point is, well, what do I do with my domain name? That's actually the subject of another training video that I will do at some stage. But you need a domain name to set up a website. That's one of the most important things. So just to recap, you come to DIYWebsitesByMatt.com. We're looking for a domain name. You want to register your own domain name. So up here on the right, you type in your preferred domain name and you click on the red go button. And that is pretty much it. I hope this little training video has been helpful. Once again, my name is Matthew, and thanks for visiting DIYWebsitesByMatt.com, home of all your DIY websites needs. Thanks.